Best autumn spots in Osaka. Without spending too much money, Minoo Park is one of the best choices. From Osaka Station, walk about 5 minutes to Hankyu Umeda Station. Take the Hankyu Takarazuka line to Ishibashi. Handai-mae Station till the 15 minutes. Then transfer to the Hankyu Minoo line to Minoo Station till the 5 minutes. Train ticket, about 280 yen one way. Park entrance free. Surrounded by maple trees and reach the famous Minoo waterfall after round 40 minutes of easy walking, where you can try delicious Japanese snacks. The autumn foliage season usually peaks from mid-November to early December, when the maple leaves turn bright red and orange. Save this place for your Japan trip.